welcome in class 3. Here's the new topic, equal parts in collection. How to divide in equal parts to the any collection. Here I made some balls, and first divide, just understand how to divide in two equal parts. अब देखिए यहाँ पे two equal parts soon as if you draw the line between these two groups of balls. Now we are count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are here and 6 are here. So here's the two equal part division between them, and each have 6 balls. Okay. Then after, just see the 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts, and each carry how many balls? Just for the easy calculation in equal parts division, just count the whole number of balls, that are 12. Number of balls total 12, and if you want to divide in 3 equal parts, so divide by 3. Divide by 3 and you get 4 as a quotient, that are the number of balls in each category. Okay. अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे अगर आपको number of balls हमारे 6 किस में थे? When we divide by 2 for the 2 equal parts. ठीक है, तो जब 2 equal parts हमें डिटरमाइन करना हो तो 2 से डिवीजन करेंगे, 3 equal parts के लिए 3 से डिवीजन करेंगे, 4 equal parts के लिए 4 से डिवीजन करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे अगर 2 equal parts के लिए हमने यहाँ पे डिवीजन किया तो then we get the quotient as 6. That are the number of balls in each category after division of by 2. So if you want the 3 equal parts, then divide by 3 and you get 4 number of balls in each category. Just see in this figure. Okay, these 3 categories now, first, second and third, and each category carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 4. Total 4 balls in each category. Okay. Now, how to determine 4 equal parts? 4 equal parts, and each carry how many number of balls? 4 equal parts. So, as we determine the here 2 equal parts and 3 equal parts, what we do? Dividing by 2, and here dividing by 3. For 4 equal parts, dividing by 4. Okay. Number of balls total 12, and equal parts which we want as 4, and you get 3 as a number of ball in each category. So made it here as a, in this way, just draw the one horizontal line from the between and one from the between, and just see the result here. 4 category now, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, and each category carries 3 balls among them. Okay, let's understand equal parts in collection with this exercise. Here the monkey says, let me divide the mangoes in 4 equal parts. I will eat only 1/4. So if he divide the mangoes in 4 equal parts, so here 1 mango and you divide in 4 equal parts, then you have 1/4. And if here 8 mangoes and divide in 4 equal parts, so 1/4 part take as 2 mango. So exercise 6C, understand with it. Write the fraction for the shaded parts in each. यहाँ पे shaded portion को हमें यहाँ पे बताना है, and just decide the fraction as denominator showing the total parts of the figure and the numerator showing shaded portion of the figure. So here shaded portion is 2 and total parts are 6. So for the total parts in denominator, here 6 and the shaded portion is 2. So what is the shaded part in each? 2/6. If you divide it with equal number as HCF 2, 2 1 ja 2 and here 2 3 ja 6. You can make it as 1/3 also. यहाँ पे 1/3 से भी हम इसको शो कर सकते हैं. अगर आप इसको लीस्ट टर्म में शो करना चाहते हैं और भी इसको स्मॉल टर्म में शो करना चाहते हैं तो 2 1 जा 2 एंड 2 3 जा 6, 2 से दोनों नंबर को इक्वल नंबर से ही डिवाइड करते हैं हमेशा. न्यूमरेटर को अगर डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो हमें जो क्वोशंट मिलेगा वो हमारा फ्रैक्शनल में आ जाएगा. जैसे 2 1 जा 2 एंड 2 3 जा 6, सो 1/3 भी हमारा आंसर हो सकता है. बट दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. So you now done in this way. Next exercise, we understand about the least terms. Here in this figure 1 2 3 4 total number of parts are 5. So write the denominator 5 and portion shaded 2. So 2/5 is the shaded portion in fraction. Here number of parts total 5 and shaded portions are 3. So 3/5 as shaded parts in each. Here total number of parts 4 in this. Here देखिए number of parts 4 total and 2 parts are already shaded. There is a shaded parts fractional number, but if you showing in the least term 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4, you can make it as 1/2 also. Okay, divide the collection into 2 equal parts and write the numbers of object. Which part? Each part. So divide the collection into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts में divide करना है and write the numbers of objects. and number of objects कितना है वो write करना है. Okay, so 2 equal parts में if you divide as in this way by draw the line between these balls is half portion and this is half portion. So count the one portion which each carries as number of balls same equally 2 3 4 5 6 balls in each category. So number of parts in each number of object in each category is 6. Here total number of rows is 8 and if you divide from the between each part take as the number of rows as 4. Now here divide the collection into 4 equal parts and write the numbers of objects in each part. Divide the collection into now 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. First count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Because here 12 and if you divide it by 4 you get the quotient as 3. So here 4 equal parts तो ये हमारा 3 number of stars है जो हमारी each parts 1/4 as a fractional number कैरी करेंगे. देखिए जैसे 4 parts में अगर हम डिवाइड करेंगे so 1 2 3 in one category, 1 2 3 in second category, 1 2 3 in third category and other left 1 2 3 that stars are in fourth category. So these are the 4 equal parts we make as object. Each category carries as 3 stars. So 1 2 3 4 here 4 bees and if you divide it by 4 you take a 1 in each category as 1. Here divide the collection into 3 equal parts and write the number of objects in each part. Divide the collection into 3 equal parts. So first divide this collection into 3 equal parts. In how many parts? 3 equal parts. So first count these triangles 2 3 4 5 6 in first row and 6 in also second row. So 6 plus 6 12, total number of triangles 12 and if you divide by 3 you get the quotient as 4. That is the number of triangles which stand in each part. तो ये 4 triangles होंगे जो कि हमारे हर एक each parts में आएंगे after dividing into 3 equal parts as here 1 2. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4, 4 in each part. Okay, so in each part 4. 3 equal parts if you divide these squares. So number of squares are, count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in first row and 7 in second row, and 8 plus 7, total number of squares is 15. If you divide it in 3 equal parts, then divide it by 3 and quotient is 5. So in each part squares are 5. Here, as divide in this way, 1 2 3 4 5 in first part, this is the second part, 1 2 3 4 5, and the third part also 1 2 3 4 5, in each part 5. Numerator and denominator. Let us consider a fraction 2 by 4. In 2 by 4 the numerator 2 is called the numerator, 4 is called the denominator. So अच्छा, मैंने न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर की बात की थी, तो वही जो हमारा 6 है ना, नंबर ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स हैं, वो डिनोमिनेटर जो कि हमारा डाउन साइड में लिखते हैं, ठीक है, इस लाइन के, और जो अपर साइड में लिखते हैं वो न्यूमरेटर होता है, एंड 4 इज कॉल्ड एज डिनोमिनेटर. हियर 2 by 4 is read as 2 by 4 or 2 upon 4 also and read. Okay. 6D, here exercise, write the numerator in each the following fraction. Now identify the numerator, that is 1, here 6, here 3, here 2, here 4, here 4. Okay. Write fraction with 5 as numerator and 10 as denominator. So write in as fraction 5 by 10. Okay. 3 by 1. If I write in this way, that's the vertical. So don't confuse in with it. फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स को हम इस तरह से भी ऐसे अगर हम लिख दे रहे हैं तो ये भी हमारा यही होगा, ठीक है. तो ये डिज़ाइन बस चेंज कर देने से ये फ्रैक्शन चेंज नहीं हो जाती, हम इसे 5/2 ही रीड करेंगे, ठीक है. सो 3 by 1, हियर राइट 3 by 1 बिकॉज यहाँ पे स्पेस कम है इसलिए मैं वैसे लिख दी थी. चलो 7 by 2, सो हियर 7 by 2, 1 by 8, so here 1 by 8. Okay. Take the fraction with 4 as numerator. So take the fraction, तो उस फ्रैक्शन को हमें टिक करना है जहाँ पे 4 न्यूमरेटर है. सो हियर 4 न्यूमरेटर, here 4 numerator, denominator, here 4 denominator, so don't tick on it. Here 4 also denominator, so do not tick on it. Here 4 numerator, so tick on it. Here 4 denominator, do not tick. Here denominator also as 4, so do not tick. Here only 2 fractions that are carrying 4 as numerator. Now here the types of fractions. Types of fraction, 3 types of fraction. First, like and unlike. Second, proper and improper. And third type of fraction is mixed fraction. Okay. So first, like and unlike fraction. Here I explain you. Just like expression is the same denominators carry. Just to know that if here I draw a fraction 3 by 5, as which is the numerator part. So 3 is the numerator. Above this horizontal line and below this horizontal line, that is denominator. Denominator. Okay. So upper part is numerator and the lower part is called as denominator. So here like fraction is same denominators, and we call these type of fraction, we call all fractions in this category of same family. We call all fractions of the same family as, just example here I give, suppose 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 18 by 3, 10 by 3, etc. These type. Here you see these all which is in the lower side number, these are denominators, and that all are equal, that is same denominators which I explain you here that same denominators, same family is called as like fraction. And what are unlike fraction? Unlike fraction is different denominators. Opposite to the like fraction, unlike fraction have different denominators such as from the different family. So we call all fractions of the different family. So like fraction, same denominator, same family. Unlike fraction, different denominators, different family. As example in unlike fraction, suppose here 14 by 17, okay, here 2 by 13, 5 by 8. Here all denominators are different from each other. So these are. Now here proper and improper fraction. First, what is proper fraction? Numerator is less than the denominator. In the proper fraction, always numerator is less than the denominator. That are called proper fraction. Example, 2 by 5. Here 2 is less than 5. Okay. So this is the proper fraction. 2 by 5, such as 4 by 5, 1 by 5, and also these all are included. Also 1 by 5 included in it, but for the numerator SO1 is also called one type or one fraction, unit fraction, that I explain later. Okay, but it's also the proper fraction we call. So here 7 by 10, suppose 8 by 9, these all are proper fraction. Now here improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. If to the opposite proper, as numerator is greater than to denominator. Here just as example, 4 by 2 or 6 by 3 or 6 by 4. So 4 is greater than to 2, and here also 6 is greater than to 4. So these all are. One more thing that about proper and improper fraction is proper fraction are always less than to 1 whole. Proper fraction always less than 1 whole, and improper always more than to 1 whole. How could you understand with this example? Just look on it. Here I make one fraction as 2 by 5. Which type of fraction is it? Proper fraction, because numerator is less than to denominator. That is less than to 1 whole. Suppose 1 whole, okay, 1 whole, and here less than to 1 whole means 2 by 5 is less than to 1. Just 2 by 5 is equal, यहाँ पे देखिए 2 by 5 है, ठीक है. Now 3 by 5. Then after ये क्या है हमारा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में जा रहा है ना. अगर आगे की तरफ मूव होंगे 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, then 5 by 5. Then 5 by 5 क्या है हमारा? If you divide from 5 by 5, and you get 5 by 5 as 1. Okay. So 1 is greater than 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. This type of fraction. And after that, you get fraction 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. Which all are more than to 1. So देखिए हम हमेशा अगर आप नंबर लाइन बना रहे हैं और फ्रैक्शंस की, तो 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 5 by 5 क्या है? 5 by 5 हमारा 1 है. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. अब देखिए 1 के बाद हमारा क्या आ रहा है? तो 1 के बाद जो भी हमारा आएगा वो क्या है? ग्रेटर देन टू 1 है ना. सो 6 by 5, 7 by 5 ये क्या है? ये इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. दैट इज मोर देन 1 whole, बिकॉज ये 6/5 क्या है, न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन टू डिनोमिनेटर. सो यहाँ पे हमारा 6/5, 7/5, 8/5 ये हमारा क्लियर होता है कि ये जो इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है ये हमारा ग्रेटर देन है 1 से, एंड देयर इज द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन दैट आर लेस देन टू 1. ओके, सो हमारा third type of fraction is unit fraction. Unit fraction which we have from the proper fraction that I explain you as 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. जो भी हम लोग देखेंगे that have as just explain you as numerator always 1. यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर क्या होता है हमारा, ऑलवेज 1 होता है. दैट इज फ्रैक्शन विच हैव द न्यूमरेटर ऑलवेज 1, दैट आर यूनिट फ्रैक्शन कॉल्ड एज एग्जाम्पल 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. दैट ऑल आर यूनिट फ्रैक्शन एंड ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज proper fraction because numerator is always less than to denominator. Okay, here mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, a fraction which has a whole number and a proper fraction. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमारा ये जैसे यूनिट फ्रैक्शन था, मैंने आपको बोला था कि 3 टाइप्स वैसे मेनली हो सकते हैं, बट ये यूनिट फ्रैक्शन को हमने एक तरह से ऑब्जर्व किया है प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन से. नाउ वी हैव द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन एंड मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन कन्वर्ट इनटू improper fraction. How? Just mixed fraction write in this way. Suppose one whole number any 5, whole number 5 and fraction attached with is 2/3. 5 is to 2/3 here. That is the mixed fraction. This type of fraction is called mixed fraction where whole number and fraction both are involved. So first convert to the solving this fraction in improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17/3. 17/3 is the improper fraction. How we can see that? 17/3 is the improper fraction because numerator is greater than to denominator. So 17/3 is improper fraction and this is mixed fraction which we convert in improper fraction to solve any question. Okay. Here's some example on mixed numbers. Write 37/5 as a mixed number. तो 37/5 क्या है, improper fraction है, convert it in mixed number. Divide the numerator by denominator. First we divide the numerator by denominator. After dividing you get the quotient. That the quotient is called as whole number. 5 7 जा 35. तो 5 7 जा 35 होगा तो 7 हमारा whole number हो गया. And 35 is subtract from 37 you get the 2 as remainder. So 2 हमारा numerator हो जाएगा and 5 which is divisor that is always denominator. Okay. Second example here 2 is to 3/4 into improper fraction. So 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 3 11 and by 4 that is 11/4 improper fraction. Here also convert in improper fraction. Okay, exercise in next class.